Hello friends, I am Dr. Nagaraj from Regional Institute of Education, Mysore. I am here to demonstrate the technique of estimation of hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? It is an iron containing protein present in the red blood cells which gives red color to the blood. What is the function of hemoglobin? It carries oxygen from the lungs to the tissue and carries carbon dioxide from the tissue to the lungs. Hence, the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood is largely depends on the amount of hemoglobin. Therefore, estimation of hemoglobin is clinically very important. How to estimate hemoglobin? The method of estimation of hemoglobin is based on 4 different principles. 1. Based on the color, that is colorimetry. 2nd, based on specific gravity. 3rd, based on iron content. 4th, the oxygen containing ability of the blood. Today, we shall estimate the hemoglobin by Sahil's method, which is based on colorimetry. The principle here is hemoglobin is converted into acid hematine by the addition of 0.1 normal hydrochloric acid. The resulting color is compared with standard brown glass in the comparator. The intensity of color formed is depends on the amount of acid hematine, which in turn depends on the amount of hemoglobin in the given blood sample. Now, what are the materials required to do this? We need Sahil's hemometer, sterilized needle, cotton, blotting sheets, droppers, absolute alcohol and distilled water. This is Sahil's hemometer. It consists of different parts. First, this is the comparator, which consists of 2 brown standard glass. Next, it has a graduated tube which has 2 kinds of marking. On one side it is percentage, the red color, the another side gram percentage, yellow color. It is maximum is 22 gram percentage and then 140 percentage. Third one is it has a special pipette which has the marking of 20 cubic millimeter. It has a cleaning brush, a stirrer, 0.1 NaHCl vial, and a dropper. Now, how to do it? Place 0.1 NaHCl up to 2 marks in the tube. Keep it in the comparator. Sterilize the finger with absolute alcohol. Allow it to dry. After that, prick the finger with sterilized needle. Leave the first drop of blood Using the pipette, take blood up to 20 marking. Without any air bubble. Immediately transfer it into the tube and gently rinse it. Now leave it for 10 minutes for the reaction. Then stir it well with stirrer. Add distilled water to dilute. Only few drops at a time. Again, stir it well. You can match the color now. It's not matching now. Again, continue the dilution. Match it. Always matching to be done against the natural light. Continue dilution. Now compare in the comparator. Yes, it is matching completely. Now we can take out the tube and note the marking. You can see the yellow color, that is gram. 14 gram it is showing. The hemoglobin content of the given blood sample is 14 gram. Compare your value with the normal value. Analyze the reasons for variations, if any. Take up a project to find out whether there is any relationship between hemoglobin level and food habit, or with the smoking habit, or with age. I hope you understood the technique and enjoyed learning. I request you to evaluate your learning and send me your comments and suggestions, if any. Thank you.